We live in a dangerous world. Whether acts of nature or man-made disaster, the problem is the same: death and destruction, quite often caused by flying glass. That shouldn't come as a surprise. After all, often all that stands between you and the world is a thin sheet of glass. We spend most of our lives in close proximity to glass. We work in office buildings that contain large expanses of glass, and we use glass to bring natural daylight into our homes. It is difficult to avoid being close to glass in a modern city or urban environment. In fact, glass is such a common part of our lives that we do not recognize how we surround ourselves with this potential source of danger. The same glass, which helps provide a pleasant environment, can become a hazard in an instant. It doesn't have to be that way. As you can see from this dramatic demonstration, applying madico window film helps prevent glass shrapnel injuries and property damage by holding glass fragments together during terrorist or accidental explosions, severe weather, and unforeseen events. Sadly, there are new threats to safety emerging almost daily throughout the world. These threats include terrorist bombs or rioting targeted against public and commercial facilities. Often the primary aim of these attacks is to gain maximum publicity for the attackers, and secondly, to cause severe financial loss to the government or institution. The real costs, however, are counted in the number of dead and injured. In addition, natural events such as high winds or earthquakes can lead to catastrophic glass failure, even more widespread than generated in an explosion. These new threats require a higher level of protection than previously thought necessary. The government and commercial sectors are demanding higher levels of protection, primarily to ensure business continuity. Madico have for many years now helped their clients to meet these threats by offering improved levels of protection through development of new generations of security window film. Until now, however, there is one feature of madico window film that has remained a hidden resource in situations of high risk. We will now introduce you to a new level of protection available only from the madico framegard anchoring system. Madico security-grade window film is primarily applied to glass to reduce the risk from flying fragments. In this instance, the value of the window film is evident from the reduction of glass fragment scatter compared to untreated glass. Similarly, under riot or forced entry attack, it is possible to drive the glass from the window frame by concentrating the attack on the daylight edge. Laminated safety glass can also fail in a similar manner, with the pane of glass being driven from the frame. The solution to the problem of edge failure is found in the madico framegard anchoring system. The madico framegard anchoring system has been extensively tested in both riot and bomb tests. Tests are not the only way to assess the system's success. There are a number of high-profile installations of the madico framegard anchoring system throughout the world that have given security officials an added weapon against the terrorist bomber, accidental explosions, or natural disaster. The framegard system is field-tested and proven to resist repeated blows from sledgehammers, pipes, and baseball bats. As a result, it deters smash-and-grab burglaries and forced entry in stores, offices, and homes. As well as the obvious security and safety benefits of madico window film and the framegard anchoring system, there are additional benefits in terms of improvement to the working environment. Valuable energy savings can be achieved by blocking the amount of UV rays that enter a building, a factor that enhances employee comfort and usually generates enough energy savings to quickly cover the cost of the security film installation. Providing visual privacy and uniform appearance with certain applications are other important benefits of using madico window film. Only the madico framegard anchoring system offers proven environmental benefits in addition to high security performance. The addition of solar energy control can result in financial savings that recoup the cost of the original film application. The framegard system has many potential uses in the area of glass safety. One application of particular merit is where the framegard system can prevent injury resulting from the failure of overhead glazing. There are increasing instances of failure of toughened glass in overhead glazing thought to occur because of inclusions or faults created in the glass during the manufacturing process. These inclusions can result in high stress forces being present in toughened glass, which in time can lead to explosive failure. The failure of overhead glazing has already led to injuries and damage to property. The addition of the framegard system and Madico safety-grade window film offers proven protection against glass dropout, whether caused through heavy body impact or sporadic glass failure. Extensive testing sponsored by Madico and conducted at government test facilities throughout the USA, Canada and the United Kingdom proved that the combination of Madico security film and the framegard anchoring system holds shattered glass in place in the face of blast forces created by 200 kilograms of TNT at a distance of 55 meters. The framegard system has achieved the highest rating in recent US government-sponsored tests. The framegard system has also undergone successful testing in advance of the new CEN European standards for explosion testing of windows and doors. The framegard system consistently outperforms other window film protection systems, such as the wet glaze silicon bond system and the catch bars typically used to protect windows in petrochemical installations. The framegard system offers true post-break protection to the window opening and extracts the maximum degree of performance from the window frame and structure. In comparison, wet glaze and catch bar systems often fail to protect the interior of the building, as demonstrated in this head-to-head comparison.